Is this horrendous? No, probably not. Today is going to be a big DIY day. Some of them may be whimsical, some of them may be cute, and some of them, I don't want to say will flop. I doubt they will flop. We're gonna keep it positive, okay? This is a bit performative. First up, I don't know if any of you are cool like that. If anyone saw the Chapel Roan merch drop, she had bedazzled retainer cases. I also saw some other YouTubers bedazzle their retainer case after that. And so I'm like, what am I doing? I've had this since I was 17 years old. Oh my God, I've had this for 10 years. Ew, that realization. I don't want to talk about that. I have some gems. These ones I've actually only used for my makeup. And then I have these plain yellow ones and then a bunch of these pink ones. My favorite little like motif is a Zara Larsson type of hibiscus flower. I want something like this. And the thing is, I should feel more embarrassed. I have a tattoo of a hibiscus. And when I went to the tattoo artist, I was like, I want this one, this sparkly temporary tattoo. I want one that looks like this. And she said, okay. And I think I'm going to just try to sketch. Oh, this is kind of working. Look, oh my God, you can really see that. So far, that's pretty awesome. Okay, I think that actually looks kind of decent. That actually looks really cute. That looks like ass, but we persist. I'm done. I can't believe it. It looks really good. I will say the very first petal I did, I completely forgot what a hibiscus flower looked like. But honestly, you can't even really tell that I forgot what it looked like. Yes! Oh my God, that's so cute. Now when I go places, when I whip out my retainers at night, I'm gonna be like, oh, this? Yeah. Oh, you thought this was Chapel Roan? No. Okay. It is not a DIY day without pulling out my big cardboard box of paints. Stick with me here, okay? Recently, I went thrifting and I got this little canvas here. It is just like the cutest little Paris scene. There's tons of shimmer and sparkles on it. And I know, obviously, this is for a child, but it's my aesthetic. I love it so much. I love the sparkles, the gemstones. It makes me happy. There is this like little girl down here walking her dog. And if you can see, she has black hair. And I know you know where I'm going with this. I do not have black hair. So I was like, you know what? F it. I'm freaking crazy these days. I am going to paint her hair a nice brownish reddish color, such as myself, because I think that would be really cute and I want to personalize it. Okay, maybe I'll like mix these two. I don't know. Nutmeg brown. I might just do that. Keep it easy. Keep it light. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess this up. She's so cute. It's such a subtle difference, but it is so cute. Maybe I need to add a little bit of white highlight to like kind of make it blend into all of this. And you can kind of see the little like streaks in her hair, nothing crazy, but I think it looks so cute. It's so subtle. It's the tiniest, smallest thing in the world, but it makes me feel happy. Because look, that's me in Paris with my dog and the sparkly city. The more I'm talking, the sadder this sounds, okay? 2 projects down. I realize I never said how many we have today. We have a total of 5, so we have 3 more to go. We have another one that's not too crazy. I have my very cute pink and lavender Trader Joe's mini tote bag. I want to spice it up a bit. I want to put some iron-on patches, and they will look so freaking cute and so freaking perfect on this bag. As of right now, I do have one pin on it. It's a gift from my mom. It says, carry yourself with the confidence of a mediocre white man. My mom's crazy. She's so crazy. God, I love her. Let me show you the patches. They're like little princess ones. Here's a little carriage, castle. There's also a princess. Coincidentally, she does look like me. Some flower ones. This one says princess, obviously. Hello. They all go so perfectly with my pink and lavender Trader Joe's mini tote bag. I have actually never used any iron-on patches. I've never had the, shouldn't put that face down when I know that I at least want the crown here and the princess down here. So we'll do that really quickly. But I really kind of want to use all of them because girl, who cares? This looks so cute. Okay, this looks really cute. I think I'm going to take this pin out for now. And then I can put this back on or put this on a different bag. Okay, just realized I was ironing my carpet and it like left some residue on my iron, which is fine. She is all done. Oh my God, look how beautiful. I am the Trader Joe's princess, obviously. Love the little castle. Here's a little hidden princess that looks like me, which is kind of freaky. Here's the other side. Love the little crown. And I wanted this on the opposite side as this. And then when I wear it and it's like actually standing up on its own, that way this is nice and balanced. This side is also nice and balanced. Oh my God, guys. Part of me is like, is this a little too childish? But the other part of me is like, no girl, this is just so cute. Wear it, flaunt it, love it. It's fine. It's so cute. It's perfect. I love it. I feel like today is just a cutesy, fun little craft day. The cutesy pink hibiscus motifs are going to continue. I have this t-shirt that I used to use as a sleep shirt. It's a little too big. It's this like light pink color. It has this big like motif on it. It's 100% cotton, very comfy, blah, blah, whatever. My idea for this is to crop it a little, maybe crop the sleeves a little, and then put a big ass hibiscus on the front covering this graphic. I think I'm going to do the motif on the background of a different thing and then sew it onto this, so then it's a little easier on me. I don't know, I've never done anything that way, but as I was falling asleep last night, I was like, why don't I try to, you know, like be better at sewing, improve a little maybe. I'll try this on and then I can see how much I want to crop it. 5.5 off the bottom, 1.5 off the sleeve, and then we'll regroup. Okay, this is looking good. I'll do a double roll hem on the bottom and make it a little thicker. And then the sleeves, I'll just do like a thin double roll. She has been properly hemmed. I use the term properly loosely because in the middle of this, I did run out of bobbin and it messed up my tension a little bit on this sleeve. But besides that, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We are actually right by all of my scrap fabrics and stuff. So I want to pick out a few. Okay, so here's some pale yellow. This might be perfect for the stem. I do have this old pillowcase that is very pretty. It has these little like flowers on it. Maybe I'll use that. Actually, let me show you the inspiration pic. So I would love to do a big ass flower like this one, and it has to be pretty big because it's going to cover this whole like motif thing. Oh god. Okay. 1 second. The plan right now, okay, we will see how this goes. I'm going to cut this towel to match up with the motif on the front. I don't know if this makes sense. Perfect. So now I'm going to cut out the applique pieces of the flower, stitch it onto this, and then whenever I'm done with that, I'll stitch this entire thing onto the top. I think this looks good, but now I'm like, do I need to take these off and just sew them directly onto the... I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like I might need to do that, even though I just did this. So let's sew on this little pink circle. I say we just leave it like this. One big pink circle on one big pink shirt. I think first I'll put on the yellow stem and then just go flower by flower. So far, so good. This looks so cute. It does look kind of weird without the petals, obviously. Okay. I'm just gonna do this one at a time and hope for the best. I was like 3 seconds into it and my bobbin ran out. It is my worst nightmare. I went to try this on. Girl, no. I'm gonna do this on my own time, but I just wanted to show how awesome that is. Oh. This is the first time I've done this on the machine. Like hand stitching, I do it all the time, but also like look how clean that is. I need to go make friends with my seam ripper and then I'll try it on. This shirt nearly took everything from me, but she's done. I hope it looks like a hibiscus or at least a flower of some sort. I don't know. I think it's really cute. I'm glad I cropped it and I like the sleeves a little shorter. Wow. It's so cute. I think it's so cute. I said earlier that some of the thread was kind of loose or like something on the side. And so girl, I just seam ripped it and redid it. In my mind, if I'm gonna do something, I might as well do it right the first time, even though that's not always how it happens. Okay. One more project left, and this one I think I know it will for sure take 2 days, so hopefully tomorrow I will finish it. Maybe you can tell from the concoction of things that I have. I am going to make my friend Gabby a birthday gift. Gabby, if you're watching this, I don't know if you are, but if you are, girl, you better leave. I want to make her a little beaded keychain. The keychain will be the national park like logo because she loves national parks and all of that. I think it will be really cute. This is just so cute, and I think it will make a really good keychain. Ooh. I don't think I will put the National Park Service though, because that may be a little bit outside of my skill set, if I'm being honest. Yeah, that's pretty unmistakable. The thing is, I think she will understand it. I am a little concerned about the bison. I did not know that there was a bison, and this is pretty small, so I'm not, I don't know. What I think I will do first is just do an outline of this and then maybe start from the bottom because it's more intricate and then work my way up to this big open space. I have my bead needles, some kind of thread, and my beads. It has been a few days or so. I have finally finished all of the beadwork. The buffalo kind of looks like a lizard. I hope you can tell that's a mountain. The trees look great. Okay, now we do have to finish this. Finishing this means sewing the back on and then putting a little bit of fluff inside and then also attaching this like keychain holder. The backing of this will be an old sock because it's a scrap fabric day. I love the pattern on these socks and I think that it will go perfect. The buffalo, I can't believe it looks like a lizard or something. Best case scenario, she loves it. She can tell what it is. Also, best case scenario, she gets a good laugh out of it. Okay. Very poorly, but I have sewn it onto the backing. I left like this little pocket open so that I can stuff some stuffing through there. And then I think I might go over this outline one more time after I like trim off some of the pieces because like, girl, that's looking crazy. Okay, guys, finally, it's been a few days or weeks, give or take. Who's counting though, right? This is finally finished. I love how it catches the light. Love the trees. Here is the back. It looks a little weird, but I think it is cute and you're not really probably going to see the back anyway. If you saw the back, you could never ever guess what is on the front. Is this horrible? Again, I understand that that little thing at the bottom does not look like the buffalo on the national park symbol. I don't want to, but I will show you a side by side. So here is mine. Here is the national park logo. You really just cannot see a difference. She's beautiful. She's perfect. Amazing. Okay, actually, she might not be beautiful and she might not be perfect, but she is fun. Okay. Oh God, is this horrendous? No, probably not. I think it's fine. Either way, hopefully this comes across as like a sweet, sentimental gift because to be known is to be loved. To be loved is to be known. Can't remember the order of that right now. Oh my God. Oddly enough, those are all of the projects we have. Don't mind me just staring at my Trader Joe's tote bag. Trader Joe's princess. This one, I'm like, did I lose the plot a little bit? But it is really cute. Thank you so much for watching. I am so glad to finally be done with this. I'm telling you, it's been a long time coming. Pretty successful DIY scrap fabric day. Really excited for everything. I need to go rest my eyes. I need to go blink a little because when I was beading and sewing it, I just didn't blink. Let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out. I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.